Everyone's still buying the perfect keyboard because the keycaps are the same color as the case. They've been fed a lie that aesthetics trump ergonomics. The common belief: if a keyboard looks sleek, it will type better. Manufacturers plaster glossy, single-tone housings on their boards and tell you matching sets are premium. That's the myth. Why it's wrong: the case color dictates the keycap profile you can actually use. A dark, matte chassis often forces you into low-profile, thin-wall keycaps because the internal mounting points are recessed. That reduces key travel to under 1 mm, kills tactile feedback, and forces your fingers into a cramped angle. You end up typing on a slab of plastic, not a tool built for speed or comfort. The premium look becomes a premium pain point: wrist strain, missed clicks, and a steep learning curve. The truth? The best design separates visual harmony from functional geometry.